Hey everyone, it's the founder of 1% LOL here, and I'm speaking with you at the moment just to give you a quick overview / tutorial regarding the tier lists we provide. Our major advantage is that our tier lists are transparent, simple, and easy to use. Other websites that provide tier lists or rankings are sometimes purely based off of an arbitrary formula that isn't always disclosed, and sometimes they're just based off of win rate alone. Or they might just be based off of a high-ranking player's gut feeling and his experiences on the patch. These are all useful to some degree, but we feel that our method provides more ability for the user to analyze the data. And it also shows two significant variables instead of just having the tier list based around win rate alone, which is just one variable. Okay, now let's quickly go over how to access tier lists in the most appropriate manner. All tier lists can be opened up in a new tab within your internet browser just by clicking directly on the image displayed on 1% LOL. They'll look pretty much just like this. Okay. Now that I've clicked on it, it'll open in Plotly.ly's website. And don't worry, there's no account registration necessary. Let me repeat that there's no account registration necessary on this other website. You're completely free to use the content uploaded to their website. Okay, and now that you have the plot opened in Plotly's website, let's quickly go over how to use these graphs. One significant function available is the ability to click inside the legend of the tier list over here. This allows the user to isolate data points, which is especially useful for comparison purposes. Let's do a quick example. Let's say you really are interested in only playing champions at the highest level, in the highest tiers, based on the two variables displayed on 1% LOL. Then you might filter the plot by only looking at the top 3 tiers. You do that just like this. Click on all the higher level tiers, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, etc. Just go all the way down the list. Click on each one, and it'll just completely remove that from what's being shown. And now let's say maybe tier 4 is okay. That's fine with you. Maybe you'll play a tier 4 champion. You can bring it back just by clicking right back on it like that. And the final significant capability that our tier lists have is that you can hover over each data point and see the champion's name, X variable, Y variable, role, and subgroup. Just like this. For Heimerdinger, for Vel'Koz, for Twitch, you name it, shows all those different variables and different things. And yeah, that pretty much just sums up this tutorial. If you want to learn more about how to use our analytics section, then please proceed to part 2 of the tutorial. Well, if you are more interested in understanding what a Pareto frontier is, the underlying concept between all these tier lists, then you may want to proceed to part 3 of the tutorial. And thanks for watching, everyone. I hope this was helpful. Also, if you want to receive updates from me regarding developments, endorsements, or just my stream, then feel free to follow us on social media. All things 1% LOL related are contained within the icons at the top and bottom of every page on 1% LOL. So yeah, thanks again guys, and take it easy.